Hello everyone and welcome to my backyard. Let's be outside in this beautiful Arizona weather. We got about 84 degrees going on right now. Oh, what was that? Yeah, let's not touch the bugs. What's going on with my bangs? I don't know. Whatever. That is all. I'm done with the news because, wait, no, not the news. I'm done reporting live because I don't know if I just saw a wasp or what kind of beetle, and I'm not trying to get into that today. Not today. Let's do another take 3 on the intro. Buenos dias, good morning everyone, and welcome to my backyard. In today's video, we're gonna be making bone-in beef back ribs. Just something small, something chill, about 3.5 pounds. And we're gonna, something super simple, salt, pepper, slow and low, smoke, yes, juicy, tender at the end, and I can't wait. I made some beef short ribs a couple days ago, and that was practice for these, and then these will be practice for the big papa ribs that we're gonna be making in the next couple of days. So let's just season our meat, throw it on the grill, and get started. I've usually seen, like in the videos that I've done for my little research on these ribs or any type of ribs, that people remove the membrane from the pork ribs but not the beef ribs. Maybe I'm blocking the sun. We're gonna just mix around with salt and pepper. Right here I did equal parts salt and pepper. Make sure that they are well coated. As you can hear the grill smoking up in the background, getting started. And then you're going to want to pat down your seasoning, not rub it around. We're going to pat it down, then, oh, you can see all the smoke. Make sure to get the sides as well. And I chose a bowl so whatever seasoning falls on the floor, not on the floor, inside of the bowl can be absorbed by the meat. And then just pat it. Oh, it's a butterfly. So the grill has reached the temperature of 250. We're gonna put on the ribs. We'll see around the middle. It got a little windy, so the ribs took a little longer to cook, but they reached the temperature. We're gonna let them rest for some time, then open them up and see how beautiful they look and taste them. After letting it rest, I took a little sample, and that is beautiful. It is smoky. It is everything that your little old heart desires. So if you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, consider subscribing, you know, getting to know me and some more recipes. And until then, I will smell you guys later.